high schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and we back in the shop today. So today what we're gonna do is we are going to start cutting out the rust on the rear quarters, and then hopefully be able to take the car in a few days to Dash's house to get the patch panels welded in. I've been working a little bit already. It's super early in the morning, man, and you know, I'm just up knocking it out. And you know, I originally had thought that this car was gonna take a little bit longer, which I still am taking my time, but it's taking a lot less time to do things. For one, you know, the experience of knowing what I'm doing and what steps I don't necessarily have to do, that's kind of helping this along. Also too, this car is there's not that much body damage. There's not that much work that has to be done in order to get it to paint. The Elco had a lot of work. I had to do a lot of work. There's a lot of body work that I had to do on that car, and it took me months to get it done, especially when it is cold outside, and you know, just not being motivated to just sand and sand. But this car, you know, is taking a lot less work. There's hardly no body filler. I won't say hardly no body filler. There's gonna be body filler, but not like a lot of body filler. I mean, most of it is probably just glazed putty spots, things like that or whatever. But yeah, man, we are going to continue on the trajectory of trying to get this thing knocked out within the next month. That would be love if I am able to accomplish it. But anyways, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and cut those rear quarters out. I thought it was originally gonna be a major setback, but it's proving not to necessarily be, because we do have the tools at our disposal. I already got the metal to cut in there. I already got what I need in order to get it knocked out and get it done. It just needs to get done, and you know, once we cut it out, we'll see where we're at. But anyways, man, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and get to work and show y'all what I'm doing today. Go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. Also, hit the bell notification so you get a notification, because I'm gonna start talking about giving away the Flowmaster 44s at the 2,500 subscribers. And pretty much what I'm gonna do is probably do it on YouTube Live or something like that, but I'm gonna announce it ahead of time. So in order to know when the giveaway is going to be and who's going to win, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you get a notification of the videos, because I'm going to start talking about it, because we're almost there and we're growing. So anyways, man, go ahead and do that for me. I greatly appreciate it, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, y'all, we made it. About to get this piece welded in there. Underneath there, got the welder out, and then we're gonna do this other piece too on this side. So shout out to Dash helping me out, man. You know what I'm saying, he gotta work today, so that's love, man, for helping me out. Trying to get primer on this thing today, because if not, it'll have to wait until next weekend. It's currently Sunday. So, you know what I mean, but got everything all ready to go. Door handles out, you know what I mean? Got to sand a little bit there, and we're good to go, man. Just clean the car off, and it's ready for its next stage. Looks like a full custom shop over here. At the end, Elko. You know what I mean? Money in the garage. Yeah, we getting to it, man. Dash about to get this snapped in for me. There's a whole lot more rust than I thought. So cut all that out, cleaned all that stuff out. Now we gotta kind of make our own panels to fit, and then just bend them into shape, weld them together, and then the rest is history. So we getting to it, man. We getting there. Body work done, like I said. Man, they look good together. Only thing we're missing is my Elko. That's all good. All right, so the top on the welding gas broke off. So we are going to go a different route. But it's a good thing that, you know what I'm saying, like, we got it to this point, because I didn't know that there's that much rust in here like that, you know. So we got all that cut out, and then we got to probably do the same thing on the other side. And then we just got to shape that panel back in. And we're gonna go rivet and fiberglass route this time. Just because it'll be a little bit easier to shape everything and make everything solid. And then we'll go from there, man. Yeah, but that's a lot of rust. And I think the other side is the same. Like I said, I thought it was just, you know, this little area right here, but I think this whole piece back here is gonna have to get cut out. Oh yeah, you can see right through there. I wasn't able to see that in the garage because, you know, there's no light, but since it's in the sunlight, you can see right through there. So we're gonna have to cut out that whole piece, and we're gonna have to reshape it, but it's not a big deal, man. We're gonna get it done, and then this car will be together. All right, grind schoolers, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, we had to fix the quarter panels or whatever. We ran into an issue. The bottle on the welder actually broke, so we gotta take a different route. And unfortunately, we couldn't get it done. I was hoping to get it done so I could continue to keep moving along the process, but we're gonna move along anyway because, you know, the show don't stop. It can't stop. So we gotta keep grinding, keep working, and doing what we gotta do. So anyways, man, I'm gonna go ahead and have to, like, you know what I'm saying, finesse it a little bit, rivet it in there, and I found, or Dash uncovered a lot more rust than I had anticipated. I thought it was like a little triangular piece. It's actually a lot further within the quarter panel and underneath the quarter panel. So we gotta cut out a lot more in order to get that fixed. But we're gonna get it done nonetheless. We're gonna get it taken care of. And then once we get it taken care of, then, you know what I'm saying, we'll go ahead and put those, do the body work back there. That'll be 100% done, 100% ready to go. And then we'll continue to keep moving forward, doing whatever else we gotta do. And yo, you know what I mean? Like, everything will be solid once we're complete. So, you know, I'm not really too tripping on, you know, what has to happen, what needs to go down or nothing like that. You know, like I said, we getting to it. We taking care of our business. The car will be painted this month. And yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to say, man. We really, you know, doing what we got to do just to get this thing done. And I couldn't be happier with the way everything is transpiring and turning out. So anyways, man, if y'all haven't done so already, hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification for me. I greatly appreciate it. I always appreciate all the love. Stay tuned because this car is almost done. I know it may not look like it, but trust me, we are working and we are getting to it. We are going to get it done. Obviously, these things take time. If I could snap my fingers and the car would be painted, you know, I would do that. But, you know, I can't, you know what I'm saying? I'm a one-man band out here. So anyways, man, it is what it is. We get into it. We're going to get it done. And that's just how it goes, man. It's a little bit of a minor setback, but, you know, whatever. So anyways, man, I appreciate all the love, all the support. Go ahead and do that for me if you don't mind. I would greatly appreciate it. And always remember, work hard so you can live free.